Hello, welcome to next lecture. So today we are going to discuss the modified electrode. Electrode plays very important role in all voltammetry technique. We already discussed three different types of electrode that are normally used in voltammetry technique. One is working electrode, another one is counter electrode, and another is reference electrode. So there are normally three electrode systems used in voltammetry technique, and working electrode plays a very important role because on working electrode normally oxidation and reduction system takes place. So nowadays the research in electrochemistry needs the development of these electrodes to be modified because normally there is a continuous development in newer chemical structures. Day by day new chemical structures gets developed, and to study these new chemical structures there is a need to develop the suitable electrodes, and that's why the modification of the surface of that particular electrodes necessary, and that's why the development in going on for modification of the surface of the particular electrodes. So if we modify these electrodes, so these electrodes can be tailored to accomplish the various functions. So modification include the presence of irreversibly adsorbing substances with desired functionalities, covalent bonding of component to the surface, and coating of electrode with polymer films or other substance. म्हणजे जर एखादा आपल्याला पर्टिक्युलर फंक्शनल ग्रुप आपल्याला जर ॲडझॉर्ब करायचा असेल एखाद्या मॉडिफाईड, तर त्या फंक्शनल ग्रुप कशाबरोबर लिंक होतो असा जर आपण त्या इलेक्ट्रोडचा सरफेस जर मॉडिफाय केला तर तो फंक्शनल ग्रुप इझिली त्या इलेक्ट्रोड सरफेसवर ॲडझॉर्ब होईल. तर अशा पद्धतीने आपल्याला काय केले पाहिजे, सरफेस मॉडिफाय केले पाहिजेत. मग असे जर मॉडिफाय करायचे असेल तर काय करावं लागेल की डिझायर्ड फंक्शनॅलिटीजचे आपल्याला मॉलिक्युल्स त्या सरफेसवर आणावे लागतील. बाय कोटिंग मेथड असेल किंवा एक थिन फिल्म आपल्याला इलेक्ट्रोडच्या सरफेसवर तयार करावं लागेल, किंवा आपण कोव्हॅलंट बॉन्डिंग होतील असं आपल्याला एखादं स्ट्रक्चर त्यामध्ये वापरावं लागेल. सो देर आर डिफरंट वेज बाय विच वी कॅन मॉडिफाय द पर्टिक्युलर substance. Normally this modification is achieved by different methods. I can so here there is the first diagram here. Okay, so here the surface, this one is electrode surface and this one is the modified. Okay, so easily the molecule gets adsorbed on this particular surface by linking or by suitably adsorbing. So linkage we can normally form on this surface, so it increases the covalent bonding characteristic of that particular surface also. Even sometimes polymer films can also be used because there are number different types of functional groups are present and can easily adsorbed on polymer surfaces. So ionic and cationic groups are also present in polymers, so we can increase the selectivity by using the polymer coating. So there are different methods of polymer coating, that are deep coating, spin coating, electrodeposition, and also covalent attachment. So different methods can be used. Even by direct oxidation, if this is a metal surface M, and if we carry out oxidation of that particular metal substance, so we can add the various functional group by oxidation on the surface. So now the surface of metal is, this one is plain metal, there is no any functional group on that particular metal, but if the oxidation or electrochemical oxidation is carried out, then this surface of metal can be modified. So this functional group get attached on the surface of metal, and now this OH, it may form the bonding with other molecules, and it forms or it may form covalent bonding with other molecules. So different types of molecule can be easily adsorbed on this surface rather than pure metal surface. So that's why the modification plays an important role. So there is essentiality of modifying the electrode surfaces. So this that is irreversibly adsorbing substances we can carry out by oxidation of electrode or metal or carbon surface by O and OH. Another one that already discussed, that is covalent bonding of component like SAM of thiols with amines or carboxyl group. On the other hand, organosilane or amines. So here organosilanes are coated on this particular electrode, so the film gets modified. And third one we discussed, that is coating of polymer films, that is normally deep coating, spin coating and electrode deposition techniques can be used. And here now in biomedical application, again immobilized enzymes, then biosensors such as amperometric sensors are a type of modified electrode. Here again so that's been shown how this selectively gets adsorbed on this particular surface. So substrate and this enzyme and the substrates are now adsorbed on this particular enzyme. So this can be again prepared by covalent attachment, adsorption or gel entrapment. So there are different ways to modify the particular surface. Now what are the application apart from this voltammetric use of electrode? This development or modification of surface is having different many applications. So modified electrode, these applications are not only limited in voltammetry technique, but they are having wide application in different field. And the first important application is electrocatalysis. So this can be used in fuel cells and batteries, because electrodes capable of reducing oxygen to water, and that's why it can be used in fuel cells. Another application is production of electrochromic devices. So electrochromic devices normally means that changes the color on oxidation and reduction. So they are used in smart windows. Again, modified electrodes can be used as analytical center, because already we discussed, that is because it selectively adsorbs the molecules on its surface. So it can be acts as an analytical sensors. And the last one, nothing but in electrochemical devices also they can be used, such as diodes and transistors. And the most important use that is already discussed, that is here, that is sensors. So development is going on, the particular how this can sense the different molecules, or how can it selectively adsorb the different molecule on its surface. So these are related to modified electrode, how we can use this modified electrode in voltammetry. So if the particular molecule is not getting selectively deposited on the particular electrode, we can modify the surface of electrode so that that particular molecule can adsorb on, oxidize or reduce on the surface of this particular electrode. So there may be bonding between this, maybe it may form covalent bond, or by other ways it can form. So this one is shown, the substance plus urea platinum electrode. Now this one is modified. So modified by a suitable enzyme. So pH sensitive polypyrrole it is modified, and the substance plus H2 which can be observed. So we get the pH changes series. So this similarly. So this is related to modified electrode and how these are modified electrodes are useful. So now the last 2 points remains from this particular topic. The first one is stripping methods, and last point is, that is pulse voltammetry technique. So in next lecture we will discuss the stripping method, and most importantly that is anodic stripping voltammetry. We will discuss in next lecture, and later on in next week we will discuss the pulse voltammetry technique, the last point from this particular topic. Okay, thank you.